Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our favorite video channel, Sri Ganit Vigyan Sarvasvam. This is B. Ramesh Kumar. Now, this time we discuss rank of the matrix. Now, the given problem is reduce the matrix capital A equals to 2 1 3 5 4 2 1 3 8 4 7 13 8 4 minus 3 minus 1 into echelon form and find its rank. So, in the given matrix, the order of this matrix is 4 by 4. So, it will be reduced into echelon form. Now, we can apply row transformations to this matrix. Here, the row transformations are, first observe this, the first element of first row is 2. The first element of first row is 2. Now, using 2, the remaining rows, the first elements will be converted into zeros. So, here we can apply, this is 2. Now, multiply with 2, total first row, and subtract from second. Now, 4 minus 2 into 2, this is 0. Similarly, multiply with 4 to first matrix and subtract from third row, this is also 0. In the same manner, this is also 0. So, the operations are, row transformations are, R1, R2 changes, R2 minus 2 into R1. Similarly, R3 changes, R3 minus 4 into R1. R4 changes, R4 minus 4 into R1. Now, these are 3 row transformations. Here we apply second, third and fourth one. So, first one is applied for this. Now, the matrix A equals to, first row does not change. In second row, R2 minus 2R1. So, R2, the element of second row, the first element is 4, minus 2 into 2, 4. 2 2 is 4. So, 4 minus 4, 0. Similarly, 2 minus 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next one, 1 minus 2 into 3, 1 minus 6. That is minus 5. And here, 3 minus 2 into 5, 10. 3 minus 10, that means minus 7. This is the second row. Similarly, we can apply third operation. R3 changes, R3 minus 4R1. So, R3 means the first element is 8, minus 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4 into 1, this is also 0. 7 minus 4 into 3, 12. So, minus 12. 7 minus 12, minus 5. And similarly, 13 minus 4 into 5, 20. 13 minus 20 is minus 7. Similarly, using third operation, that is R4 changes, R4 minus 4R1. R4, 8 minus 4 into 2, 8 minus 8, 0. Next, 4 minus 4 into 1, 4 minus 4 is also 0. Minus 3, minus 4 into 3, minus 12. So, minus 3 minus 12, minus 15. Similarly, minus 1 minus 4 into 5, minus 20. That is minus 21. So, this is the elementary matrix to the given matrix. This is elementary matrix. Elementary matrix means orders are same and elements are different. Using transformations, we get resultant matrix. Orders are same and elements are different. The type of matrix is called elementary matrix. So, this matrix is elementary matrix of the given matrix. Similarly, the remaining, in here, one more elements are zeros or not. First we check. So, here using two operations. So, second row is changed by subtract from say third one to second one. Similarly, third row is changed by subtract from third row and multiply with second row and subtract to this one. So, here the operations are R3 changes, R3 minus R2. Similarly, R4 changes, R4 minus 3R2. The resultant matrix is First two rows does not change. Next, third row, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 5, minus 1, minus 5, plus 5. This is also 0, minus 7, minus 1, minus 7, plus 7. This is also 0. Fourth row, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, minus 15, minus 3 into minus 5, plus 15. This is also 0, minus 21, minus 3 into minus 7, plus 21. So minus 21 plus 21 cancel. This is also 0. So we observe that in the elementary matrix, last two rows are zeros. Now we cannot apply any row transformation from this. So here this is echelon form. Here we observe that the zeros are increased by the corresponding rows. Second row 2 zeros, third row 4 zeros, and fourth row also 4 zeros. So zeros are increased in this one. So this is the echelon form of the given matrix. So which is echelon form, which is echelon form of the given matrix A. Therefore, in here we observe that number of non-zero rows. Number of non-zero rows equals to how many rows? These are only 2. Therefore, 2 is the rank of A. Symbolically is denoted by row of A, that is 2. So this is the solution for this problem. Now the second problem is in the matrix A equals to minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 1. Here also, first of all, it will be reduced into echelon form and find its rank. So first we observe that in the given matrix, the first element of first row is minus 1. Now using this element, in second, third and fourth row, the first elements are zeros. We can apply elementary row transformations only. So in the first element is 1 in second row. So now some adding first and second row, this will be 0. In the second one, in the third row, first element is 2. Now multiply with 2 and subtract, adding third and first one, this is 0. Similarly, subtract from fourth to first one, this is also 0. Now the transformations are R2 changes, R2 plus R1, R3 changes, R3 plus 2R1, R4 changes, R4 minus R1. Here R4 minus R1, not adding. Here signs are same. So subtracting from fourth to first row. So here the elementary matrix is first row does not change. Minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 1. In second row, R2 plus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 plus 3, minus 2, plus 2, 0, minus 1. This is also minus 1. Similarly, the third row, R3 plus 2R1, 2 plus 2 into minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 5 plus 2 into minus 3, minus 5 minus 6, minus 11. Similarly, 2 plus 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Similarly, minus 3 plus 2 into, minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. This is the third row. And fourth row is R4 minus R1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 3, minus 1 minus 3 plus 3, 4, 0 minus 3, minus 3, 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the elementary matrix of the given matrix. So here we observe that in second, third, fourth, the first elements are zeros. Similarly, we can apply row transformations. Here minus 11 and 4 are zeros using second row. Here we observe that in this minus 2 is not equals to 1. First of all, we take one row transformation, R3 changes. Here multiply with 2 to third row and multiply with 11 to second row and subtracting. So here 2R3 minus 11R2. This is one operation, one transformation. Similarly, using another transformation, R4 changes. This is 4. Now multiply with 2 and adding second and fourth one. This will be 0. So R4 minus R4 plus 2R2. This is the second transformation. Now we can apply in this. So first two rows does not change. Minus 1, minus 3, 3 minus 1, 0 minus 2, plus 2 minus 1. Now the third row is changed by 2 or 3. So first element is already 0. 2 or 3. 2 into minus 11, minus 22, minus 11 into minus 2, plus 22. This is 0. 2 into 8, 16 minus 22. 16 minus 22 minus 6. Similarly, minus 5, 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Minus 10 plus 11. Minus 10 plus 11, 1. Similarly, the fourth row is changed by 0 minus 0, 0. And R4, 4 plus 2 into minus 2. This is also 0. Next, minus 3 plus 2 into 2. 4. Minus 3 plus 4. That is 1. So here 2 plus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is the resultant matrix, elementary matrix. Now here interchanged by third and fourth row. So R3 is interchanged by R4. Now the resultant matrix is first two rows does not change. So enter R4 and R3 interchanged. So 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, minus 6, 1. Now this is the resultant matrix. Now we can apply row transformation to fourth row. Here this will be converted into 0. So multiply with 6 and adding second, third and fourth row. Therefore this is the 0. So here R4 changes R4 plus 6 R3. Now in this first 3 rows does not change. Minus 1, minus 3, 3 minus 1 and 0, minus 2, 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Here 0, 0, this is also 0. 1 minus, 1 plus 6 into 0. This is also 1 plus 0 means 1. So here we observe that in this, now we do not apply any transformations and not converted to remaining values are not zeros. So this is the final form. Now which is the echelon form of the given matrix. So which is echelon form. Now the number of non-zero rows in this totally 4 non-zero rows. Therefore number of non-zero rows equal to 4. So which is denoted